Oh, look at that.
What?
Look at that car.
Fuck, I'm finna be sliding too if I don't. Bro, this car behind me.
Oh.
Oh, shit. This motherfucking foggy ass hell and it's snowing crazy. And raining at the same time. What type of weather is this? Y'all see the, wait, that's eco mode. Oh, we're gonna put this bitch in snow mode. Look at this fucking look. You can't really see on camera, but this shit crazy. I'm finna head out. Oh shit, I hope I don't fucking slide on my shit. Fuck. Hey, y'all hear that sound? I think it's my tires or some shit. I don't know what the fuck that is. See the temperature, we're fucking 3 degrees out here. It was just negative fucking 5 or 7 yesterday. Oh hell no, turn that shit down. It stops. Hey, nah, that shit, I'm trying to hear that. Bro, what the fuck? See that little snow dust? That should look dope as hell. Oh shit! I should not press again. Bro, the motherfucking wind blown the snow on the floor. That should look cool as hell. I can't see the fucking lines though. Fuck. Let me take this left. Bro, hell no. I can't tell. If I can't tell, I don't think they can tell either. So, then we're good. I did do one video of that shit. Man, look, this art. That shit look nice. I did do one video with Nunu, but I deleted it. I should not, bro, cause sometimes it just blow up out of nowhere. We at the gym. This band. Oh shit. Fuck, damn, there's really no one that's good. Oh, never mind. I see them. No, they're more people.
We go to Lakes, bro.
Lakes?
Yes, sir.
Shit, fuck. Man, you already finished your water?
Yeah, man, I'm a thirsty man.
You didn't even start working out, you already finished his water and shit.
I'm gonna just fill it up. Refill it.
What is this?
He said, bro. He trying to look all out right now.
Yeah, man, light shit, you know. Oh. His ass. Oh. Just got done with the gym. Right? I'm fully snow crazy. Oh, shit.
Oh, look at that.
What?
Look at that car.
Fuck, I'm finna be sliding too if I don't. Bro, this car behind me. Oh shit. This car behind me too close, bro. You need to chill. Like, what the fuck? Oh shit,
bro. I go drifting in the middle.
Hey, is there an open parking lot, man?
Yeah, go to the Dollar General parking lot and do it.
Is it big?
Yeah.
Fuck, cuz. It said emergency no route. What that mean?
Well,
Hey, you're right there on the right in the red sign. Fuck, bro. Like 10 miles per hour here. I'll tell you, bro, if there's a turn, this shit gonna just fucking spin out. Shit, bro, what we gonna do if we slides out and hit a car, right? Are we gonna stop and like tell them, or we just gonna
dip.
dead ass, man? Like a parked car,
Ah,
like in someone's house.
I'm knocking their door.
This is motherfucking foggy ass hell and it's snowing crazy and raining at the same time. What type of weather is this? Ah, shit. Man, I could drift right here, but I ain't trying to risk it. It'll be a good ass Tokyo drift shit. Do that shit. Oh shit, my shit swing. Do that right real quick. Bro, this shit crazy. Look at them trees. It's a 70 and minimum of 40. My foot's on me 30 and 40. Man, what y'all think of the landscape? Boring ass shit. If y'all watching this video still, man, comment down below what city y'all from. Trying to see. Hey, this is that same Tesla from earlier. I swear. The one behind us, white Tesla. Well, that shit just common. That's trying to blend in with the snow. Oh shit. Ah shit. Hey, you always gotta be looking forward while you're driving. Cause I did. Could have been bad right there. Oh shit. What the fuck? This motherfucker look like a sandstorm out here. Last time I drive in this type of weather with this car, for real. If I was in like a regular ass Toyota, I would not be tripping. I'd be hitting the gas and doing all type of shit, but I want to be hella careful with this whip. I don't want to fuck it up. I want to fuck it up some more. These roads don't look bad. Shit, man. Boy, fuck. This motherfucker, like 2 degrees and they at the bar. Fuck y'all doing? Hey, it did not turn red. Oh shit. Is that a fucking cat? Oh, no. I was gonna say that's a Coca-Cola. I was like, hell no. Fuck, I better make it up this hill, dog. I'm trying to make it home to my mama. Oh. Fuck it, I'm gonna take this left. Fuck. Took it too late.